Hello guys. So if you're looking to get Google coordinates on Google Maps on computer, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the Google coordinates. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to the location where you want the coordinate of. So I'm going to choose any random location. Just for example, let's say somewhere over here. So all you have to do is just simply right click on that location and click on what's here, and it will pop up over here. So after that, just simply click on the coordinates over here, and that should pop up over here. Now all you have to do is just simply copy this, and then you can just simply send this coordinate to whoever wants the coordinate, or you can just simply use it for later time. So if you have a coordinate, all you have to do is just simply paste it over here in the search panel of the menu, then hit the directions icon over here, and as you can see, it will create a perfect route to that particular coordinate that you just pasted over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.